All right, so today we're taking a look at these doorway pull-up bar attachments. Now these are gonna be great for if you don't wanna waste a bunch of space. I've seen those other pull-up bars where you have to hook them on and then they're kind of awkward. They're like a little bit difficult to hide away at your house. Look how compact these are. They're very light, they're thin, and look how small they are. So not much footprint at all if you wanna put these away in a drawer or just put them away in your gym or anything like that. It's nice and lightweight and small. Plus, another good thing about these is if you're serious about your pull-ups, this is a great way to bring this on the road. I would say, I don't know exact weight, but I'm thinking about 1.5 pounds each. So you definitely can bring this in your carry-on or your check-in luggage. And it's great because it hooks onto pretty much any doorway. So as long as you've got a doorway, this is gonna clamp on. So the way that these work is you're just gonna open them up like this and they're gonna fit onto the doorway. So let's put this one up on here. And a cool thing about this too is that you can actually adjust it side to side. So if you were to have those regular doorway pull-up bars, you really only have like one spot to put your hands. But this is nice because if you want it all the way over here, all the way over here for a wider pull-up, it's easy. So let's go ahead and demonstrate it. And for reference, I'm about 170 pounds. This is able to hold up to 250 pounds. See, here we can go ahead and pull it here into the middle, which is great. We can do a different exercise. So if I want to do a chin up, I can do that in the middle just like that. And it's nice because there's no bar in the way. So when you do pull yourself up, you can see there's space in the middle. Your head can go right there. You don't have to worry about hitting that bar. Again, it just clamps on. You can slide them across the beam nice and easily and then get back to doing your pull-ups. Now another thing I want to mention here is the quality on these are extremely nice. They're made out of kind of like a plasticky rubber material, but they're going to have the metal bearing on the inside there. And you're also able to pop this off as well. So you can go ahead and undo this, spin this out, and then take this out. So again, making it even smaller to compact down. And if you wanted to change out this attachment, if something ever happens or this rope gets worn out, you can go ahead and replace it, put it back on, or add any attachment that you have at home. I know this is the absolute game changer for me. I've got my pull-up bar at home, but I love having this on the road. That way I could actually get a workout in and I can do even more than just pull-ups. I mean, there's so many exercises that you can do with this. You could even do kind of like an ab crunch, a leg raise. And yeah, you could really get creative with these. So if you're looking for an easy way to get pull-ups in without having to have a huge pull-up bar or just something that's very, very lightweight and easy to bring with you traveling, then I would definitely recommend picking these up.